just entered the Aubrey city limit. I want to give you an idea of what it looks like on the road. You got some rolling hills here, beautiful trees. We're headed to 7429 Grubbs Road. It's a 42-acre horse ranch. Has quite a bit of facilities to it. It's got 102 horse stalls, a 5,200 square foot custom home, 5 rental homes. Here's a look at some of the other horse ranches and luxury properties on the way. Really beautiful country here. This is one of my favorites. We're coming up here. This is a really nice spread, as you can see. So Aubrey's in Denton County, north of Dallas. So the property we're marketing is actually about 26 miles from Frisco, Texas. So Frisco is becoming a major corporate hub of Dallas. Lots of new office buildings have been built there. They got a good school system district, and a very popular place to live. So again, we're marking 7429 Grubbs Road. We've got aerial videos on YouTube. If you just Google T2 Ranches on YouTube, you'll find it. Look for 7429 Grubbs Road. And it's just a couple of, probably 3 or 4 minutes from downtown Aubrey. So we're going to roll into downtown Aubrey right here to give you an idea of what the town looks like. We're on FM 428 currently, heading east, northeast. So we're pulling into downtown Aubrey. A rural area, but it's got a little small downtown area here. Some historic commercial buildings, which I'll turn around here so you can get a better look. I love these old charming brick buildings.
You're listening to Kenny Chesney's No Shoes Radio on Sirius XM.
That's the sound.
So that'll give you an idea of what Aubrey looks like.
After a long day at sea.
And thanks for tuning in.